Hi everyone, it's Bruce and Jan, and we are in Culbertson, Montana, and we have seen this type of thing once before out west, particularly in the heat. The track gets so hot that it twists, and then when the train goes over it, this is what you get, a train wreck. And this is a derailment. The cars that you see here have all had their wheels removed. They're down the line just a little bit. What they do is they push everything over, get it out of the way, and repair the rail and start trains running on the track again. As you can see, they've been damaged, and they go way down there, both sides of the track. And over here, I'll try to let you see it. We're going right into the sun though. They have all kinds of equipment here to help repair the rail line, the road beds, everything. This is a big undertaking for them. And they have to get this cleared up and the rails open just as fast as they can. So Bruce is taking pictures and I'm doing the video, and we'll put the two of them together so you can see the right here. You can see some of the twisted track. And this is what caused the derailment. If you look on down there, you'll see more. There's more cars. You know, that one's been damaged. There's cars over on the other side. Probably half a mile of this wreckage. But I'd say nobody got hurt. You're out in the middle of nowhere, which is a good thing. You might like seeing it. It's kind of interesting. Don't know when this happened, but as you can see, they have lights out here, and that most likely was to help them work through the night to get the rail opened again. And there's more of those down the road every so often. You'll see a few of them, and there's still some down there. Right down that way. There's some too. Just thought you'd like to see this. It's not something you really want to see, but as long as no one got hurt, that's the main thing.